Hello kids. So previously we completed our 10th block. Now we are in 11th block. So what are we going to do today? We are going to learn a new lesson called Babu's Sons. So Babu means here the father name is Babu. So the sons belongs to Babu. So this is the possessive. It means the possessive. So what is this? So something belongs to you. If you are Ram, you have a book with you, so we say Ram's book. So Ram apostrophe S book. So we call it as possessiveness. So that means this book belongs to Ramu in the same way. Sons belongs to Babu. So Babu's sons. So what we are going to learn now? We are going to learn about Babu's sons, and what we are going to do? So we are going to compare the family in the story, means Babu's son. We read the story. So whatever are there, whoever are there in the family, so we compare the story with our real life family, means we are going to compare the Babu's son story with your family, means the person, the kids, whoever you are reading, you want to compare it with your family. How is Babu's family and how is your family? You want to compare it, and we want, basing on that, we want to write in the volume. So okay, so let's open our textbook and move to the Babu's sons. Okay. Now let us read the story Babu's sons and find what happened, and let us compare the story, the characters with our family. So if we see the genre, it is a folk tale. So folktale is a story taken from ancestors. So they used to say from mouth to mouth. So they will be telling some stories, some moral to make the children be happy, to learn something. So folk tales are the stories which were passed from generation to generation just by using their mouth. They don't have any written form. So some we can find in stories like while they are writing in the textbooks like this. Now let us see what happened. Can you see there the characters, what they are doing? They are sleeping. Okay, let us see what is there here. Babu had two sons, Hira and Moti. They were always fighting, even in their dreams. Now can you see the characters here? Babu and his two sons. So there are three characters. One is father and two sons. So who are they? They are Hira and Moti. So Hira and Moti are sons of Babu. And what do they do? So they always fight here. And even in their dreams, even in dreams also they are fighting. Can you see they are fighting for a ball and a bat? Now let us move to next page, page number 72. So can you see there? Okay, let us see the first paragraph. One day they were eating dinner. Babu had made soup. This soup is yummy, said Hira. Moti thought so too, but he said, it tastes bad. Soon they were fighting again. So what are they doing? What are Moti and Hira doing? They are at dinner. What do you mean by dinner? So dinner is the food which we eat at the night time. So while we are going to bed, whatever we eat, we call it as dinner. Now what did Babu made for them? So whenever we want to know something, we use a question. So here, what did he made? He made some soup. Now how is the soup? Who said that? Hira is saying something about the soup. He said that the soup is yummy. Yummy means very tasty. He's saying that the soup is tasty. Moti thought so too. So it means that Moti is also thinking same as Hira, means both opinions are same. The word two, T over two means that both are same. But he said, who said? Moti is saying, it tastes bad. Soon they were fighting again. Why do you think but Moti said that it tastes bad, though he feels that because according to his opinion, the soup is yummy. It is very good. But why? So because they both actually are never good to each other. Always they are fighting. So here when Hira said that the soup is yummy, in opposite he said that it is not yummy. That means it is bad. It is not tasting good. So they started fighting. So let us see what happened. Babu was sad. He wanted his sons to be friends. So, who is sad here? Who is the person sad here? Can you say? Yes, Babu is sad. And what does he want? He wanted his sons to be friends. Yes, normally all the parents think like that only. They think that their children must not fight with each other, they must be friendly and they must play together, they must share the things. These are the good habits, okay? So, in the same way, Babu became sad and he wanted his sons to be friends. Now, children, while comparing this story with our story, how many characters are there in your house in this story? Babu and two sons are there. And in your family, who are there? So just try to remember because we want to write it in our volume. And how do your brother and you or your sister and you be? Do you fight with each other or do you be friendly with each other? Are you? So basing on the context, you think. So whether you are friendly or fighting like this for each and everything. So think, compare this story with your story. That means with your family, how you will be with your siblings. That means your brother or sister. Now let us move to the next page, page number 73. Babu took away their bowls. Go to the kitchen now, he said. The sons were surprised. I want each of you to make a bowl of soup, said Babu. The sons grumbled but went inside. Now, what did the father do? So, Father Babu had taken away their bowls. Do you know what are the bowls? The round, can you see? The round objects which are used to pour something to eat or some food, vegetables or something we can keep in that. So, it is a round container. Okay, now go to the kitchen. So, what did father ask them to do? Father asked them to go to the kitchen. What is a kitchen? Do you know? What do we do in the kitchen? Normally, mother cooks food in the kitchen. So, kitchen is a place where they cook the food. So, suddenly, when father asked them to go to the kitchen, the sons were surprised. Never father said maybe anything. So, but here, when father said them to go into the kitchen, they were surprised. I want each of you to make a bowl of soup, said Babu. Now, what did Babu ask them? Babu asked them to make a bowl of soup. The sons grumbled. So, they are not interested. Grumbling means though they are not interested, they are saying something, saying that we won't do, we can't do. Some in Telugu we say that gunagadam, chiraku paddam. So such words we use for that. So the sons grumbled here, but they went inside because they can't do anything when father asks them to do that. They want to do. So just by grumbling, sometimes if we don't like, also we'll be just going on saying something in our mouth slowly. But we do that. So in this way, the sons grumbled and went inside. Did you face such situation when you are fighting and father gave you a punishment like this? Your father or mother. So just compare it with your family, the actions which happened with you and your brother or sister. Now soon they came back with bowls of soup. Babu gave Hira's bowl to Moti and Moti's bowl to Hira. Drink your soup, said Babu. Both boys tasted the soup. Now see, after coming back, they, with the bowls of soup, father interchanged their bowls. Means one bowl given to other, the other bowl to the other. So that means among the two boys, he interchanged the bowls and asked them to drink the soup. Now both the boys tasted the soup. What do you think do they do? So did ever happen with you like this? Now let us see, after tasting the soup, what do they do? So can you guess, children, what may happen? Because they both always fight with each other when they are tasting the soup made by the other. Means Babu's, when asked them to interchange, Hira bowl, Moti tasted, and now Moti bowl, Hira tasted. Let us see what happens in page number 74. Do you like it? Asked Babu. They did. But what did they say? So normally while eating they liked, it seems. Do you like it? When Babu asked them, do you like it? They did. It means that they both liked the soup. But what did they say? So that is what we are thinking. What did they say? Do you think they said they like? Let us check it out. He put in too much salt, said Hira. He put in too much pepper, said Moti. Then make new bowls of soup, Babu said. Until everyone is happy with their soup, nobody can go to bed. Now, what did Hira ask? Babu asked Hira, how is the soup? He said that Moti used too much of salt. Though Hira liked Moti soup, he said that he put so much of salt. And when Moti was asked by Babu, how is the soup? He said that he put in too much of pepper. Who is he here? He means Hira. So Hira put in too much of pepper. So do you know what happened now? So Babu again gave them the punishment. He asked them again to go back into the kitchen and asked them to make the soup again. Now till when? So until everyone is happy with their soup means until Babu asked them to make the soup until Hira and Moti says that the soup is tasty and yummy. So now he asked them not to go to bed until they like the soup. Now let us see what happened. In page number 75. Hira and Moti looked at each other. They knew what to do. They tasted their soup again. This soup is yummy, said Hira. Yes, it is, agreed Moti. Babu smiled. Now, children, do you think really they are clever? Yes, they are. So, previously they were fighting and they said that the soup is not yummy. But now, when father asked them to go and make the soup again until they like, now they again tasted the soup and said that it is yummy. So it means they are not interested to go and again prepare the soup. So that means they doesn't want to fight with each other now. They want to support each other. Though they don't want to be friendly, but when father asked them to go and prepare soup until they like, they thought that if we don't agree with each other, we may want to make the soup again and again. So they thought that if we are friendly, if we like each other's soup, then no need of making it again and again. So let us see next what happened in page number 76. Everyone ate their dinner in peace. Babu's sons still fought now and then, but never at dinner. So did you observe that? They were still fighting. Everyone ate their dinner in peace means at that time, particularly in that night when father asked them to prepare the soup, they started to be friendly and they ate the dinner in peace. Peace means very silently, no fighting with each other. But did they stop fighting with each other? No, they didn't. Still, they used to fight now and then. So it happens. Normally, we also fight sometimes. Yes, not always. So if we fight in front of the parents, really, they are going to give us the punishment. So sometimes fighting is with the brothers, sisters. It happens. But we must not fight like that every time. Okay? We want to share the things, we want to play with each other, we want to be friendly with our siblings, that is brother or sister or someone. Okay, so like this, whoever are there in our family member, we want to be very friendly with them. Now, what lesson did you learn from this? The moral of the story. That means we must not fight with each other, we must be friendly. So if we fight with each other, parents are going to give us some punishment. Yes. So basing on this story, you want to compare your life with the Babu's son's life and you want to Answer it in your volume. So before that, let us see some glossary. Bowl. What is a bowl? It is a round container. Round container normally we use to hold the food. So food, we keep some food in that. A round container. We eat sweets in that. We eat some soup and something else. Even rice we eat in that. Dinner. Dinner is the food which we eat at night. Kitchen. It is a place for cooking food. And what is soup? Soup is a food made of water and pieces of food such as vegetables. So we can make any soup using some vegetables or some other things. Okay, pieces of any food we can use and we can make some soup. Now let us move to the volume. Page number 15, Babu's sons. So you can draw or write about your family. So how many members are there? See, Babu's family has Babu, Hira and Moti. So in your family, how many members are there? You can write there. And you can draw your picture. How many members are there? Basing on that, you can draw a simple picture. Okay. Or you can write the names of your family members. Now, Babu's family likes soup. What does your family like? So just write what your family likes here. Coming to see, Babu's family has dinner together. They together are having their dinner. So what do you do together, all together? What do you do? What do your family do? So basing on that, you can write my family. Now if you see Babu's family, some other thing which happened in the story, anything what happened in the story in Babu's family, you can write a sentence here. And basing on that, what your family does. So if the characters or the something like soup or dinner, something having to do, if anything is similar, you can put a tick mark to the side. Can you see the boxes there? If something about your family and Babu's family, if it is similar, that means if it is same about both of your families, then only you want to put a tick mark. Otherwise, put a wrong mark. That means that both are not similar. Complete it and send it through WhatsApp. Okay, kids, thank you.